Okay, Rohini. Good morning, Rohini.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to study about before, after and in between numbers. Can you answer the first one? 15 before 15?
40.
14. And write it. Good job, Rohini. Okay. Next, Namaya. Can you answer the second one? What the number is after 10? Answer it.
11.
Good job. Thank you, Namaya. Vihansh. Can you answer the third one? 30. After 30?
31.
31. Write it. Then Ima. Can you answer the after 12?
30.
Okay, write it. Then Visakha, can you answer the number 44 before 44?
30.
Super, Visakha. Good job. Then next, Dhruv, can you answer the one 50 before 50? Before 50, what the number is?
39.
Super, Dhruv. Then Hira, in between numbers 7 and 9, in between, what the number is there?
8.
8. Super. Right. Tessa, can you answer the next one? In between number 19?
20.
20. Super, Tessa. Then Anu, the next last one 30, 22. In between, what the number is there?
31.
Super, dear. Write it. Thank you, kid. Vaiga, can you answer the next one after 10? After 10?
7.
11. Super, Vaiga. Write it. Thank you. Good morning, Krishna.
Good morning, ma'am.
Could you answer the first one?
Yes.
What the before 15, what the number is there?
14.
Oh, can you write it?